Hello and welcome to episode 17 of our no code series. Let's continue and get a move on with this portal landing page now. Let's do a little bit more on UI Builder. So let's start the clock again and let's get going. Okay, so Emily Blunt here. We want to switch this around a bit. So we want the icon to be above the Hello Emily, and we want this to be all centralized on the page is what I'm going for. To do that, I need to move this avatar outside of this flex container, because this container is currently set to go horizontal, so for the fact of the Hello Emily. So I need to put that above that particular box here, and I think grid is also selected to go horizontal as well. So I think I need to just move this avatar above that. There we go. So we have all that nicely above the Hello Emily text. Now all of this is not centralized, and what I want to do is centralize all of this using something higher up in the chain here. So if I was to go to the main flex thing here, container, I can then switch it from being at the start or left aligned into center, and that is should be all good. And what else do we want to do here? We want to change the text on this actually, so let's change the heading text for that one. I'm happy with the size. Let's just change config to time to go on vacation. Let's save that and have a look and see how that is now looking. Lovely. So we've got hello Emily, time to go on vacation. Although the comma's a bit weird, isn't it? I might put the comma after the Emily. We also have a little bit of space at the top here, so clearly there's some padding built into one of these containers. Maybe we can remove that padding, and let's also remove this search box on the page here. And I'm thinking if we can use the bottom container to contain our buttons, that would also be a good thing. Let's see how much we can get done in this particular episode. Let's find this padding then. Where's the padding? Is it on the main flex? Let's check that. It might be further above that. So padding, there's no padding on there, otherwise there would be a property. So let's remove that. It's further above then. Hero banner. No padding. No padding, no padding, no padding. Where is the padding? It's clearly padding somewhere. Oh, margin. It's in margin. So it was in main, but it's a margin top 5rem. Let's just get rid of that if we can. Oh, sorry, it's just deleted. It's probably the easiest way. So that hasn't got rid of that top area here. Maybe because of maybe it's just not aligned. It could be just that. Let's have a look. So main flex is what we want to align essentially to the is justified to the top. So this oh, it still has the the 5rem for some reason. Maybe this is access is the problem here. Okay, that's now gone. Let's just save that. Do we still have that top area? We may well do. We do. So is there anything else kind of stopping? I don't know why. Maybe on the grid here there's some bottom padding. No, I mean that's all auto in here, so no padding at the bottom there. So it's just one column, one row. So why is it showing almost at the bottom of the row is what my gist is. We've got 27 seconds to figure it out. Come on. Right. So this is obviously down. We don't have any margin anymore. So can I not just get rid of that? It's still trying to apply some kind of margin. I mean, everything looks okay. I mean, it's aligning the items in the center. And the content is showing at the top of the box, but then why is the box showing? There is my question. I will do some investigation and find out. But let's just finish this one by just removing the search component because we don't want it. So we can just delete that component. Off you go. Although now that's kind of messed with our that's messed with our alignments because it was flex. No, it's all good. We're all good. I think it's okay, but it's yeah. I'll have a look and see what we need to do about this top area, and then we can start thinking about a separate container for our buttons. So join us in the next one.